Welcome to Soul Connections, Healing Relationships with Nadi Astrology, another episode by Esther Bhava and Vedic Secrets. I'm your host, and today we are diving deep into the ancient mystical world of Nadi Astrology and how it might just be the missing key to unlocking harmony in your relationships. Whether you are navigating romantic roadblocks, struggling with family ties, or feeling disconnected from your partner, this episode is for you. Have you ever felt like your relationship issues are part of something bigger, something karmic? Like no matter how much efforts you put in, the same patterns repeat. That's exactly where Nadi Astrology comes in. And at Astrobhava, we specialize in helping people just like you get clarity, closure, and connection through the sacred signs. Let me tell you a quick story. Meet Jolly and Peter. Jolly is originally from India. Peter is from California. They met at a yoga retreat in Bali. A whirlwind romance followed, and within a year they were married. But just 6 months into the marriage, friction began. Small misunderstandings became weekly arguments. They could not understand why things kept spiraling. That's when Jolly came across Astrobhava through a friend. They decided to explore Nadi astrology with us. Using their thumbprints, yes, literally their thumbprints, we traced their unique soul charts. What we found was revealing. Their relationship was not new, it was karmic. A past life bond still entangled with unresolved lessons. Once they understood the deeper reason behind their emotional triggers, everything changed. That's the power of Nadi astrology. It goes beyond surface level astrology, it reaches into your soul's story. At Astrobhava, our expert readers help interpret these ancient palm leaf manuscripts, believed to be written by sages thousands of years ago. These are not generic predictions, they are your life script. And yes, that includes your relationships. Let's address some of the questions quickly. How can Nadi astrology help me if my partner is not into astrology? Great question. Many of our clients in the US have partners who are skeptical at first. But here's the thing, the insight you gain from your own reading is often enough to shift the dynamic. You start reacting differently. You understand your own patterns, and that alone can transform the relationship. It's kind of like adjusting your own sails, even if the wind stays the same. Is Nadi astrology only for romantic relationships? Not at all. We have helped clients navigate complex bonds with parents, estranged siblings, business partners, even children. Nadi astrology is about soul contracts. Any deep connection qualifies. We recently worked with a woman named Laura from Austin. She was having a tough time with her teenage son, constant communication breakdown. Through her Nadi reading at Astrobhava, she discovered unresolved karma from a past life where their roles were reversed. That awareness brought a level of compassion that changed everything. What can I expect from a session with Astrobhava? At Astrobhava, we make the process sacred yet simple. You send us your thumbprint and we begin the search in ancient archive to locate your palm leaf. Once found, our readers will interpret it and provide a deeply personalized consultation. We don't just tell you what's written, we help you understand it. We guide you on what rituals, remedies, or karmic practices might be needed to resolve past entanglements. Think of it like a soul therapy. Ancient edition. Let's make this real. Imagine being able to look at your partner not with frustration but with understanding. Knowing that the conflict is not personal, it is a chapter in a longer story. That's what we aim for at Astrobhava, to bring soul clarity, not just astrology. And it's not all mystical either. Our US based clients often tell us that what makes us different is how grounded our guidance is. We blend the spiritual with the practical. So you leave each session with steps, not just stories. So, if you are in a place where love feels stuck, family ties are strained, or you just want to know why a certain relationship affects you so deeply, maybe it's time to look beyond the obvious. At Astrobhava, we believe your soul already knows the way. We just help you remember it. Relationships are not accidents, they are sacred assignments. And sometimes healing begins not with another person, but by unlocking the messages written just for you. If you are curious to explore your Nari reading with us, visit astrobhava.com. Your soul journey starts there. You can also follow us on Instagram and YouTube for more insights, stories, and real client experiences. Until the next time, keep your heart open and your soul curious. This has been Soul Connections, Healing Relationships with Nadi Astrology. Thank you for listening, and may your path be blessed with harmony and understanding.